this. We need many of these sort of facilities, and this should be like in this city, in Twin City, like I was told. This is the one of its own kind, only dedicated operation theater for this surgery. Otherwise, they use this general operation theaters are being used for all these sort of procedure. But this is the only dedicated dental surgery setup and operation setup with 28 beds along with so this is one of its own kind. And I was just mentioning it to you, Dr. Sahab, that yes, we need to train more and more people, not only for this organization, for the entire city and entire country. See, we've got the short of trained people. We have got the short of literate, skilled people. We have got the facilities, and they are facilities which is not being run the way it should have been run, just due to not a trained and a skilled kind of human resources people. So I would urge here with you, in front of before you, that please use this facility not only to serve the people who are coming here, but just keep that in mind, that you have got the facility, you have got the knowledge. Be aware of the requirement out of this building. Be aware of the requirement out of this city and within the city. So I always mention, since all the people who are here related to this subject, this hospital and medical field in Pakistan, I would say I've been saying this time and again, that we are in a serious situation right now. The whole healthcare system is not activated and working in a right manner at this moment. कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, तो मैं थोड़ी सी अगर उर्दू में बात कर लूँ, ताकि मेरी बात जो यहाँ से बाहर भी अगर कोई जा रही है तो वो भी समझ सकें, सुन सकें. एक तो मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ. तो हेल्थ केयर कहते हैं इंसान को बीमार पड़ने से बचाने का नाम हेल्थ केयर है. जब बीमार पड़ जाए उसके इलाज करने का नाम हेल्थ केयर नहीं है, वो तो सिक केयर है. हम पाकिस्तान में सिक केयर कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट एन हेल्थ केयर. और अगर हर कोई 6.19 million babies are coming every year, more than a population like New Zealand, 5.8 million per year, 5.8 million entire country's population. हम एक न्यूजीलैंड से बड़ी पॉपुलेशन हर साल ऐड कर रहे हैं. 24 करोड़ हम कागज़ों पे लिखते हैं, 25 करोड़ से ज़ायद हम हैं. अगर सब लोग ही बीमार पड़ने लगें, और आप कहते हैं कि 68% डिजीज़ जो है वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज़ है, पानी हमारा साफ है नहीं, सीवेज को ट्रीट हम करते नहीं हैं, एक मोहल्ले का सीवरेज दूसरे मोहल्ले के पानी की नदी नालों दरियाओं से मिलता हुआ पानी के अगले मोहल्ले के पानी में जाता है, all the way. There is no sewage treatment plant anywhere in Pakistan, and yet we call.
अभी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.